welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply boost your Android phone speed with this simple trick I'm about to show you right here in this video. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing to do is to make sure we enable developer mode on our Android phone, and for us to do that, what we need to do is to head over to our Android phone right there and go to settings in our Android phone. So go to settings, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. So what you need to do right there is to simply type in build number, then click on search. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on build number, which is under system above of the phone. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So under the build number right here, what you need to do is to continue to tap the build number until you are enabled. So a step away from being a developer. Now you are now a developer. It's that simple. All right. So after you have successfully enable your developer mode on your Android phone, next thing you want to do is to head over back to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my settings. Then having opened up your setting, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply type in developer. Then right here, click on developer options. So it's going to take you to all features that you have in developer section on your Android phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, continue to 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 scroll down until you get to window animation scale. What you need to do right here is to simply click on window animation scale, and this is going to pump up. By every Android default, you're going to have it as animation scale to be 1 time. So what we want to do right here is to increase the animation scale to about 2 times. So I'm going to select on that. Then right here under transition animation scale, click on it also. Then make sure you increase this to about 5 times. Then under the simultaneous, then under the animator duration scale, click on that. And you can put this one into about 5 times scale or so, and you are done. So from here, you can exit from your developer mode and start running and restart your Android phone. And after your restart, you should be able to enjoy speed up in your Android phone performance. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.